Yeah, I'm out here with little Speedy. She don't like the thunder and the lightning. And as soon as she heard me crack out through this door, she came a running. She's all wet, even with Spookies. Spooky underneath the carport. Is he? Is he? Well, I'll back up. Yep. You want to get in your barn? Okay. We'll put your food right there, okay? What's left of it. Okie doke. Yeah, and I didn't get home in time to get the flag down, so she's a little moist. It'll be okay. And I don't know if you can see it, but the flag out in the cemetery, we've been flying that half-mast since our brave soldiers sacrificed their lives again over in Afghanistan. Yeah. And I know we got a hurricane coming and all of that. I mean, she's a big one because, as you can see, the outermost bands have gotten here, and we're 151 miles from the coast, let alone from where the eye of the hurricane is, out in the center of the Gulf. These storms are massive. Yep. And then what you're going to hear, I'm sure you can hear it in the background, is the crack and rumbling of thunder. And you'll see the flashes. So here on Saturday afternoon, and I think it's around 3, we've been over at the Patterson Log Cabin. And that, which you'll get to see in a separate video before you actually see this one. Yep, I was over there contemplating what more I could do, as well as refreshing my mind. Yeah. No matter how bad my life is here in the little old cottage under the oaks, it ain't nothing like it was for our pioneering forefathers. That's to be true. But this is what I'm thinking we're having, unless she moves further to the east. They're still saying she should come in either just west of New Orleans, or she might be a direct hit. And they're still saying the Cat 4, 140 mile per hour winds, cause whew, that's gonna be a bad one. So from this afternoon, Saturday, throughout the evening hours into the wee morning hours of Sunday, throughout Sunday into Monday, and I don't know, maybe even into Tuesday, it's going to be wet here. There ain't no doubt about that. Constant rain, lightning, thunder, thunderstorms. Hopefully no tornadoes. Yep. And I'll be a-praying. And I'll be praying for everybody on the coastline and wherever this thing hits. Because it ain't going to be pretty, no matter what. Yep. Not much more I can do. Got the phone in charging. Got to make sure my solar generators are charged up. And that. I'm not going to worry about getting any extra more gas right now until I see where she's coming at, and I can always make a run early in the morning. Hopefully that's a good decision. I do got some gas. I got 2 vehicles that are full, so I can always get some out. Which that's another thought. If your vehicles are full and you know how to get it. Now granted, a siphon hose in most modern vehicles, they got it fixed now where you can't get them down through the fill tube. They're blocked at the end. Yes sir, they surely are. Try it sometime. Older vehicles you can. 80s and older. But most 80s and newers, good luck. But there is a way. And it's a whole lot better than sucking on a hose and siphoning it out. If any of y'all curious one day, I'll show you how to do it. You might be amazed. Of course, it's nothing new. There are videos out there about how to do it on YouTube, I'm sure Instagram, Facebook, what have you. So, like I say, it's going to be wet. We're going to have some windy conditions from time to time, gusts. So far, they're still predicting only for my area right now, gusts of up to 35. Now, it was a little breezy here a little earlier ago. Now, I'm thinking 20-25. That ain't no sweat. We shed that off our back here in the south like a duck sheds water. And now it's just light rain. But I'm thinking from what I'm hearing, that ain't gonna last long. It's gonna be interesting. Wet, windy, and wild. But if you're of the praying mind, it'd be a good thing to pray for those people along the Gulf Coast, Louisiana, Mississippi, and even Alabama, because this thing ain't made landfall yet. And the cone of uncertainty stretches from, the western border of Louisiana all the way over to Mobile. So, who knows? I'd really be praying if it stays on the track for New Orleans. Let's all remember Katrina and this storm right now, by what they're projecting, would be stronger than Katrina. Think about that. So, just another video here of what conditions are like. And I'm going to leave the old GoPro out here on the front porch. And I'm going to record some of the rumbling thunder, catch a little lightning, and the sounds of the rain. Because I don't know about you, but if I know it ain't for real, it's real nice to sleep to. Or at least it puts me to sleep. And I'd rather have a recording of it than be laying down listening to it in real life. Because with that comes consequences. So y'all enjoy the sounds of the thunder, the sights of the rain and the lightning. And until we see you again on the next video, y'all take care, stay safe, and God bless each and every one of you as you bless others. Goodbye for now. Are you worried, Speedy? Are you worried? Well, don't go back out in it. Papa's here. I just came back out. Just to be with you, okay? Yes. Come on. Come on. Get back up on your barn. Come on. Where's Spooky? You see Spooky? Yeah. Yeah, I know. That worries you, don't it? Well, maybe you want to go up under the carport, okay? I think that's where Spooky's at. Nope. You stay here, Papa? Okay. Well, yeah, it looks like it's doing something better. Maybe we're making headway. But hey, Papa's got you something coming that I'm hoping will kick it on out.